Hello friend, welcome you once again your own channel Tech Solution, and today I am going to tell you about Vivo Android phone. So if you have any version of Vivo, so today you can unlock at a different type of and very different tricks you have. I'm going to give you. So because this is very important as per comments, there are so many comments on Vivo Android phone how to unlock our Vivo Android phone. So this videos for some viewers who have Vivo handsets. So today I'm going to give you some best suggestion and very unique tricks. So I'm going to give you some simple and simple step by which you can unlock your Android and Vivo Android phone. So before I start the unlocking process, make sure, as I earlier, as I confirmed in all videos, first of all, you go in the and click, press the activate flight mode because this is fully offline method. Now, as you can see on the top below, after swiping this, now as you can see, emergency calls here in the bottom of the screen. So click here, and this code is very different and very unique. You can note down or a screenshot, take a screenshot of this code. So this code is very important. So now I'm going to zoom. Now you can check a star has 85007608 star 421 and has and apply call here, and now you can see call failed. So again, minimum three times we have to call. This code is very different as you can see on all my previous video. Always code has changed. This is all games are depends on this code. So this code is this code is very different. So after completing this process, please come back and apply master locking code. As you can see, as you can know, a star has a double nine and has, and after now as you can see engineer mode activated on your screen. After first of all, you go in the manual test, and click here sensor self-test calibration. And now you, as you can see, two option is there: gyroscope and accelerometer, and both are not operated. So one have to start here, apply till whenever when. Now as you can see, text pass and come back and go with the last others option and click here database version, mainboard version, anyone. So click here seven time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this is the last process, sensor self test calibration. After sensor self test, sorry, rewrite important log test. So click here cancel, first time cancel, and second time press OK, because I earlier confirmed you before I start the video. This is very different, and now it's time to go with the home button, and we will check our phone is locked or unlocked. So friend, as you can see, my phone is unlocked, I think, and I hope you like this video. So please subscribe our channel for unique tricks and simple steps, whichever I will give you best tricks in all next video. So I hope you like this video. If you don't have you don't like, then also press likes button, and please subscribe and comments me what you have to any issues. Please share with the comments box, and I will give you the solution as soon as possible. Bye.